August 24, 79 AD. Mount Vesuvius unleashes a catastrophic eruption that buries the ancient Roman cities of Pompeii and Herculaneum under layers of volcanic ash and pumice. The once thriving towns are cast in a state of suspended animation, frozen for centuries to tell their story. It's not until 1748 that excavations begin, but it takes nearly 2 centuries for the full extent of the site to be revealed. We delve into the history of Pompeii, from its humble beginnings as a small fishing village to its rise as a major Roman port and city, where luxury and decay walked hand in hand. Through stunning images, engaging interviews with archaeologists and historians, and vivid reenactments, we recreate life in Pompeii's shadow, from the bustling streets of the Roman Forum to the intimate private lives of Pompeii's elite. As we excavate the ancient ruins, we uncover new discoveries that push our understanding forward. The first-ever archaeological finds in Pompeii, where plaster casts revealed the very last moments of its victims, with hearts still beating and limbs frozen in terror. The excavation sites become laboratories for forensic archaeologists to unravel secrets, solve crimes from over 2 millennia ago, while also revealing new insights into Roman civilization's intricacies. We meet local craftsmen who skillfully recreate artifacts found on site, reliving an era that has captivated the world's imagination since its unearthing. As Pompeii finally stands free from her entombing shroud and emerges as a symbol of rebirth, one can't help but ponder, what story lies beneath these volcanic rocks? We find ourselves entranced in the mesmerizing tale of this ancient Roman city, where love, politics, and tragedy all merged into an eternal epitaph.